well, this is how you can check the debt for the Netherlands. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. First website is macrotrends.net. As you can see, it shows Netherlands debt to GDP ratio from 1960 to 2024. And we even have a chart, if we were to see here on the screen, from 1960 to 2020. It's kind of interesting. It kind of tapers off, but that's besides the point. You scroll down, and as you can see here, we have a list of similar countries. It ranks in terms of percentage of debt. The United States has 115 more debt or GDP, and so forth, etc., etc. The next website is usdebtclock.org. As we can see here, Netherlands, if we scroll down, is going to be above Nigeria and below Mexico. Their national debt is $628 billion with a B, and more useful information in real time, completely for free.